start the things from now is table creation, right? Tables, right? So table, why we need a table? In order to build an application. What is an application? The application that you see here. Okay, application is a collection of modules, right? So every application connects to a table, right? The data that you are seeing here, even if you, whatever you are seeing here, this is also coming from a table. Okay, it is a shortcut, or a module is just an interface that gets the data from a table and then show you. Okay, so for our construction requirement or a project, we need to build a table. Okay, so first thing is table creation, right? So table, just go to the tables. Okay, system definition, many of our applications, okay, developer applications will be located under system definitions. So yeah, even our table also will be under system definitions. Okay, and then tables, right? So here just click it, sys underscore db underscore object table, where the tables will store. Yesterday we seen it, right? This is also one thing we already knew, but table creation, new, right? So there are two ways to create a table. Okay, so two methods. Okay, for two methods we come here and then click new only. The method will change only when you use this option extend. Okay, so we just create the first method. Okay, construction. Okay, construction, right? And the backend table name will automatically come. Okay, so see, if you observe one thing, no, it started with u, right? So u underscore, so this is also one concept we see. Okay, u underscore something xyz, right? And all the tables that we seen so far is maybe sys underscore user table, or cmdb underscore ci table, or incident. Okay, change request, change table, problem. Okay, something like this. But first time we are seeing a table with starting u, right? You observed it, ma, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the U refers like user table, that is custom table. So if we create a table, any user creates a table, okay, they always starts with the U, right? So you can say user table or custom table. Okay, I will take this separate topic separately. Okay, like types of tables. Okay, but as we are seeing the things here, maybe we'll just cover it. Okay, now first method we are covering. Okay, and in the first method, two things. Okay, in the first method, okay, I am not using this particular option. If I use the first, if I use this option, it will become second method. Okay, I think Sheila Garu was asked. I think someone, right? We seen this one, something task or something, but forget about it. Right? Extends, I'm not using it. Okay, and also right side options, create module, create mobile module. Okay, and under which menu? So we are not. If I click it, no. If I click this one, like if I leave it like this, okay. Once I save it, I will be getting a module here with this name, construction. Okay, but I don't want that. I will be creating my own application separately and all the modules which I like to create. Okay, so I will unselect it. I don't want to create a module by system automatically. Okay, maybe maybe someone who created already, na, maybe Sindhu Garu. Okay, for you, whatever you given something like you given car service, now you also see a module called car service in here somewhere. You just type it, you will get a module here. If you check this one, maybe if you don't know what it will do and you just left it when you are creating a table. Okay, you can just verify once more later. So
Okay.
so see here. Okay, in this page, okay, we did nothing but we just given a name, that's it. This is always a label. Label EC, label is the name that user see, front end name. Okay, the value is from backend. This is for system. System will consider this as a name. Okay, user will consider this as a name because we see this one. Okay, so these two are very important, and we see these two everywhere from now. Okay, label and a name. Label means for user, name for system. This is clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, under commons columns. Okay, nothing is there. Control, nothing is there. Application access, okay, nothing is there. Okay, there are already some select boxes are selected, but I'm just showing you. Okay, nothing is there. Now I'm just saving it. You can submit also, but if you submit now, this page will navigate to some other page. You have to again come back. So just to save it. That is a navigation issue, not something. Okay, I just saved it. Okay, once after I saved it, I automatically got 6 columns. Okay, I didn't create any column, but I got 6 columns. Okay, so this 6 column, the first important thing that we need to notice here is, okay, maybe I'll just, these 6 columns, we call it as, see, in table. Okay, so maybe I will just open it. The shortcuts you are practicing, ma, they are helpful.
Not yet, Andy. Maybe this weekend.
Shortcuts also, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
see, yeah, my side. I don't know other people.
okay, ma. So see here, in form we use a term called field. Okay, table field. Even in form we use this one. If you are talking in a table level, you call it as a field. Okay, if you are seeing in a form, you are also call it as number field, customer field, okay, category field. So field. Okay, but if you see from backend level, the same field will be called as column. Okay, both refer same. Okay, the terminologies that we use to uh, call them is different, but if you see here the column, this is from table level. The same thing you are seeing in a form means you call it as a field. You can still call it as a column, but in general wordings, no, general usage wordings, maybe we may call it as fields. Okay, so see, first thing is, okay, maybe the first question or first notice here is, okay, 6 columns or 6 fields, right? 6 columns. Okay, so they are called as default columns. Okay, required for a table. If you take any table in the system, not only this table, but if you take any table, without these 6 columns, there should be no table. Okay, and these are system generated fields, not user generated fields. Okay, I will show you the difference in maybe 1 minute. Okay, but 6 columns, what are the 6 columns? Created on, okay, means created created by, okay, updated updated by, okay, updates and sysid. Okay, these are the four, these are the 6. Okay, I will just cover them. Okay, let's cover them. Okay, what they are is, okay, they they are, any questions, Andy?
How they will show up as fields, sir, in the front end? Can you show that, please?
I will show you. I will show. That's what we are going to see. Yeah. See how they will show is, you can show in a form also, but they will be always hiding. Okay. So something like this. You can just see once, one or two. Okay. Okay. So see here now. Okay, customer. I'll just select some customer name. We are just submitting a ticket now. Okay, and then test issue, right? And then Okay, nothing. I'm just nothing filling. Okay, all are fine. No mandate. So I'm saving it. That means I'm creating a record. Okay. So these two fields are automatically updated, right? You seen it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's
So,
Andy.
so that means that the six fields automatically the system generated, they will be updated automatically.
Yes, Andy.
Mm.
Yes, that is true. We will see it, Andy. Give me 1 second. Okay. So see here, we get those five. Okay, sys ID is a separate one where it won't allow to expose in a form or a list. Okay, only special sys ID. Okay, how we use sys ID is a separate concept, but we cover it in a few minutes. But before that, it created by. Okay, created by, updated by. Okay, and updates. We see about these five fields. Okay, which out of six, these are the five fields. Okay, you can see now. So this is our incident. Okay, the incident is also listed in the list view in the first place, right? This is the same one. Okay, created created by, updated by, updates, these five values. Okay, they already came. Okay, and they are there with system. The system marked them, the values. Now see here, created by one time it will come. So when the ticket is created, when the record is created, and by whom it is created. Okay, that's it. Now if you see updated, first time when it is created, the same time it is also updated. Create, update, both operations happen. So update means this one. Now see what I do is, okay, 19.6 okay, just to remind, just to see this one. Okay, created, updated, same na, mark this time. Okay, mark this time, and then what I do is, okay, someone open the ticket, maybe it is assigned to some other group. Okay, it is some change happened to the ticket. Okay, now I'm saving it, means maybe I'm updating it. In system terminology it's update. Okay, so now see this particular record. Okay, I didn't refresh now. These two observe it. Okay, updated by anyway is same, me only. Okay, so see updated, last updated time changed. Okay, updated by also changed, but as it is same, it is not changed. Okay, but if someone like in my company, okay, other user is there, service desk user is there. Okay, he opened the ticket, and okay, let's see, give me 1 second, so give me 1 second. Okay, so one more. So two changes I am doing, one same time. Okay, you can also see one more thing here. Okay, updates means how many times it is updated. Okay, one time it is updated. Now I am also doing one more time. I will tutor now. So I will tutor, so I am just selecting it. That means some one other change, right? So now updated is again changed. It will change now, and updates will change to 2. Okay, so see here 190959, this is changed, updated, changed, and two times it's changed, and two times so far the record is being updated, changes happened. Okay, now all the things are clear except maybe this one, right? Even this one is also clear. You want to see in a different user, if we want to
Uh, no, Andy. If you open an incognito window, then maybe you may see the different yeah, username.
okay, so I
Okay.
don't,
Yeah.
that is true, Andy, but I don't open an incognito window, but I want to show a different user here using the same browser. Can I do it?
Sure, Andy.
How I can do? No, no, this is a question, Andy. If I want to do in the same login, okay, and I want to update with a different user, how I can do?
We can use the impersonate user.
Perfect. Yes, Andy. You are best, Andy. Seriously. Good,
Thank you, Andy.
good, good, good. Okay, so now the user which is being operated this instance is not system administrator, but this person. Okay, now just refresh the same page, because he is an ITL user, you can see that. Okay, he came, this is how he is operating. Okay, so he will say issue is resolved. He resolved it and saving it. Maybe he needs to write something, resolution notes, resolution code. This is there. Okay, resolved. Right, now see, maybe here. Okay, okay, let me go back, and that means I'm impersonating ending. Okay, so end impersonation. Okay, then refresh, because the fields that I show for me will show for different, so I have to again do this thing. So instead of that one, ending impersonation is easy. Okay, so see, created by, they are same. Okay, updated, just now it's updated by someone. Who updated? This person is updated. And so far how many times it is updated? 3 times it is updated. So these are the 5 system generated fields available in the table level. Okay, and they are required for any table, every table in the system. It captures the results of the time and the person who created or updated.
Sir, where is this ID in table view? Can
I will show you now. This, till this point everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next important one, which is sysID. Okay, so sysID, okay, for every record you can't show in the form, or you can't show in the list. Even if I want to add it in the list also, it won't show. There is no field exposed. Okay, but how can I see? First, how can I see? Next, what is sysID? Say, right click, copy sysID. Okay, right click on the record. If it is in a list view, copy sysID. Okay, so just get it. Okay, this one. Or if you are in a form, okay, so right click, copy sysID. Where is that? No, here. Okay, got it. And give me 1 second. It is with able tutor. Okay, copy sysID. Okay, the same thing. The same record I did from the list, and now it is in form. Like this you can do, right click, or you can do also from here. Okay, or there is something where you can also see like XML. I will show you XML one later. Okay, so this is how you will get it. But what is a sysID? This is very important. Okay, give me 2 minutes, and I think now it's fine. So do you know about anyone knows database? No, right? The
No.
only the class that we seen, that is the only database we know, but nothing else. Okay, so someone are working on chemical department, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, as part of your day-to-day job, maybe I don't know exactly the job profile, but let's say you are capturing something. Okay, maybe medicine name. Okay, medicine name. Okay, and
Uh-huh.
quantity. Okay, something, and you are capturing somewhere in an Excel sheet kind of tool, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, so how you differentiate each medicine? Let's say I have 5 medicines. Okay, maybe crocin. Okay, and dolo. Okay, something. 5 are there. You are capturing in the Excel sheet. Okay,
Yes, sir.
how
Yeah.
you differentiate them?
In chemicals, they have a case numbers.
Hmm.
Every chemical has their own case number, a unique number.
Yes. So Excel. Let me write it in Excel. It looks more clear. So in database view, database level, okay, this concept applies everywhere, ma. Now you can start seeing things. Okay, starts from a school, starts from a shopping cart, everything. Okay, data. So let's say we have a database. Okay, so maybe a student database or a chemical data, medicines. Okay, medicine name. Okay, so this is a medical database. Okay, maybe I can just say like this. Okay, what I'm doing. name. Okay, so normally how they capture is maybe medicine name will be there. Okay, and maybe some details will be there, maybe chemical detail, something something something, and manufacturing date. Okay, maybe expiry date, something department, I don't know. Okay, and they will start filling the things like this, Prosin and Dolo. Okay, and blah 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 blah, and they don't see the name as a unique identifier. Here also we can't use name. Maybe some other vendor will give the same name, Crosin. Vendor will be different here, but medicine name would be the same. Okay, so the name cannot be a unique identifier. So what could be a unique identifier? For everything, they will give some name. Maybe as Prashanti Garu told, they are using something called batch number or something, or some chemical number something. So it gives handy. Okay,
Cash number అండి, cash number.
cash number maybe.
Yes, yeah.
Cash number. So that means it have a unique number for every medicine. There would be one number. Okay, they will identify using this one. Okay, and one statement in this particular example is no two medicines have the same case number. It should not be. Okay, this last statement is clear, Andy.
Yes అండి.
You can just refer it maybe later if you have time. But primary key is core to identify the uniqueness in the database, and it will be there in every database. Okay, so when they are developing this one, they kept one ID called sysID. Okay, the sysID is a unique identifier for a record. So each record here have their own sysID. So this sysID we copied. So what is the sysID of this one? So gets this one. So second record sysID is this one. So every field have its own sysID. So this is how the system will identify the ticket. Maybe two incidents should have same short description. Maybe the same number also. There is a logic. There is an external script where it makes this number iterated. But maybe you can still keep it. Okay, I can keep it. I can keep the same number, but I can't. I can keep any value for a field using my scripting, but I can't set a sysID for a record. Okay, the sysID is a unique identifier for a record, and in the system everything is a record, right? You agree?
Yes అండి.
So let's say the statement I am showing. Okay, so okay, we didn't create the table, huh? We created. Okay, just go here. Yeah. So when I say that statement, okay, in system everything is a record. Okay, is this a record or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a record on which table?
Construction table.
What is that production table, ma?
Construction table.
It is a record of construction table, but this record is on which table? Okay, in the other words, okay, this is a record from incident table. This is a record of incident table. This is a record of incident table. This is a record of incident table, and this is a record of this table where the yesterday we covered where the table information will store. So this is a record. Even the table that you created is again a record in this table, right?
Yes, sir.
And even this have a sysID because it is also a record. You are getting it, ma? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what is this sysID? We got to know now. Okay. And next one is we call it as, there is a terminology called GUID. Okay, SysID is 32 characters, GUID, maybe I can write like this. Okay, we and it's a unique identifier, that's it. I mean, you don't need to write much, but this is the simplest. GUID means it's a unique identifier, ma. GUID will be used for uniqueness only. Okay, but do you know what is the GUID? Means abbreviation of GUID? No, right? So GUID refers to, okay. So now what does it mean? If if you read it now, what does it mean, ma? Just
It
just
is a unique identifier.
it is unique identifier. On which
Yeah,
level?
it is.
On which
It
level?
is on global level.
On global level. So, okay, the probability of matching this number with any other SysID uh, in the database is 0.